Howdy guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today I am very excited to do this vlog. This is kinda like makeup tutorial slash review of a 7-Eleven makeup that I bought in here in 7-Eleven Thailand. This is also good if you're like traveling like for a week or so and you just want to travel light and you still want to have your makeup on. Yes, they have this 3-in-1 sachet, good for lips, cheek, and eyeshadow, which is really cool. So I'm so excited to try this on and share it with you what I think about it. I heard so many good reviews, but I want to try it myself. That's it, so let's get started. 7-Eleven is just around 3 minutes walk from where I live, and I just have 500 baht budget with me. Yung mga makeup nila. Ang dami ko nasa siya. Alam tayo. Tulad dyan. These are the products I bought of 7-Eleven. They have these really cute sachets. And first I'm gonna show you this gluta serum. It's really nice. Dewy because I have a dry face, so I like it dewy. 2-in-1 eyeliner and for inner liner in here. All-in-one, it says in here. It's for eyeshadow, blush on, and for lips. The fifth is this one, also 2-in-1 for lip and cheek. First, I'm going to use the 2-in-1 serum and collagen as my moisturizer and makeup base. Then slap your face. Sure. Just gonna use my fingers to blend it. Look! Ano ba to, guys? Oh my god! Hala, ang puti! So, gagamit po ko nito. 7-Eleven din po ito. Mura lang din po ito eh. Meron na ako kaya gamitin ko na lang. Pero maganda naman siya. Parang pwede na ding hindi maglagay. Pero gagamit lang po ako ng kunti. Ito po yung nilagyan ko. Okay na siya. Parang yung ano talaga. Yung contact lens talaga nagdala sa akin. So, ayan ha. Ayan na. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrow using this one. It's also used for inner of your eyes. Char. Gamitin ko na tong 3-in-1. This is for eyeshadow and lips. This is for blush on. And this, another one is for eyeshadow too. Just... Lagyan ko siya ng powder nung BB cream. BB powder. So, ngayon gagamit ako ng lagay po sa lower eyelash ko. Gamit ito. Ito parang vampire. So, ngayon mag-eyeliner na po ako. Yung mga taga dito po, mahilig po talaga sila sa mga ganitong eyeshadow. Colorful, mga bright, tsaka naglalagay po sila ng nung pangpa double eyelid. Kasi wala silang ganon.
Ginamit ko na lang yung drugstore na mascara ko kasi wala na akong budget sa 7-Eleven na mascara.
Creamy yung niya. No need to brush na kasi creamy. Mag-ano na lang ako, yung drunk blush on. Sure. So guys, yung time na binili ko tong products na to sa 7-Eleven, pag uwi ko, ayun, na-prank ako ng jowa ko. Lahat ng makeup ko talaga guys, as in, wala na lahat, wala. Kasi sinira at tinapo niya. Pag uwi ko, super excited ko kasi sabi niya may surprise siya sa akin, ganito, ganyan. Since dala ko naman yung camera ko, so nag-video din ako. So ko lang i-capture yung moment na surprise niya ako. Pero, super sad ko talaga that day. Kasi lahat ng makeup ko, lahat talaga, pati yung collection ko na lipstick, nawala na lahat. Sinira niya. Doon sa sink ng toilet niya, sinira lahat. So, iyak na ako doon. Tapos sabi niya, bili na lang daw kami ng bag. Yun, bili na lang kami ng lahat daw ng makeup ko, bibilhin ko na lang daw kasi para ganun. Iwan ko sa kanya, ba't sira-sira? While auditing talaga sa, sa prank video na yun, po sakit sa damdamin. Oh my God. Ay, ginamit ko pala tong yung bagong makeup din na binili namin that time. Ito. Ano ba to? Parang 7-Eleven lang yung ko. Hindi kasi guys, yung budget ko kasi hindi kaya. Sa lipstick, ito siguro yung gagamitin ko, itong coral na to. So, ayan. Hindi na ako mag-party. Oh my God. Pang party makeup tong back to party makeup. Charot. Itong buhok ko po is rainbow hair, and I have tutorial and how I did this one, and I'm just gonna put in the description below or in the comment section if you would like to watch. Okay lang po ba siya? Hindi na ako tawag nito, nag-contour. Okay lang naman siya. Maganda siya guys. Or yung mata talaga, yung contact lens talaga nagdala. Pero ganda po siya, lalo na lipstick. So, hindi na po ako mag-ano ng buhok ko. Ganito na po yung style niya. Yung parang slick. Sure. Slick na siya. So, ito po guys, if you have the chance to travel here in Thailand, this is only 49 baht. Yung mga sachet na ganito, 49 lang po to. May mga 2-in-1. It's good for gifts for your friends, pasalubong, ganon. Maganda po siya as in highly recommended. Sure. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope to see you next time. Love you all.